In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chat on your Gmail desktop browser. It's a simple process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Whether you want to start using Google Chat to connect with friends or collaborate with colleagues, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow. First, let's get started by heading over to Google. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in google.com into the address bar. This will take you to the main Google homepage, a familiar site for most of us. Now that you're on Google's homepage, your next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one you wish to use for Google Chat. Once you're successfully signed in, it's time to navigate over to Gmail. You can do this by clicking on the Gmail link, often found in the top right area of the Google homepage, or possibly under the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a grid icon. This action will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Now that you're on your Gmail dashboard, let's locate where Google Chat lives. Glance over to the settings section. Usually you'll see a cogwheel or gear icon representing this. However, what we're searching for specifically is the chat section. Normally this can be found in the menu sidebar where your emails and other settings are managed. Once you've clicked on the chat option, you'll enter a space where you can start new conversations. Look for the new chat button. This is your gateway to start a fresh conversation with an individual or a group. Clicking on it will give you the opportunity to enter the name or email address of the person you wish to chat with. Type it into the search bar that appears and select the correct contact from the results. There you have it, you're now ready to start chatting. Whether you're sending casual messages or formal interactions, Google Chat offers a convenient way to communicate without leaving the Gmail environment. You'll find that the integration within Gmail makes it effortless to switch between emails and chats, keeping all your conversations accessible and organized in one place. And there you go, in just a few steps you can now use Google Chat on a Gmail desktop browser. It's a handy tool to enhance your communication, and with practice you'll be using it like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.